Exchange.
What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. We out here at Bel-red Auto Rebuild, as you can see behind me. Finally getting the calipers painted on Raven. They already took the car. They got the car in the booth. Hopefully I can pick it up in the next couple days. Hopefully they do good work. I'm gonna show you some of the cars out here, so they gotta do good work. As you guys can see, we got the rolls out here. Got the McLaren. Got an older truck. This thing look clean. We got a Range right here. We got a Lambo. Another one of the vehicles right here. I think this is the owner truck. He says it's a little dirty. This thing is jacked up. Like, how do you get into something like this? This is crazy. It's a monster truck. Look at me standing next to this thing. Like, I'm about 5'7", 5'8". That is crazy how tall that is. When I had my truck, I was gonna do something like that. It's probably like a 10 or a 12-inch lift on this thing. It's crazy. So we are back. And the car got finished today. I'm extremely pleased with the results. These guys did a great job here at Bel-red Auto Rebuild. Man, I recommend them for anybody who need these services here in Washington. They located in Bellevue. I'm gonna let you guys see the calipers, man. They look great. They're gonna order the vinyls for me to slap on there to put the Brembo back on, but for right now, man, these things look super good. So here it is, guys, man. The car is kind of dirty, but look at that. Oh yeah. That's some good plum crazy. These calipers look amazing. And I'm totally thankful and grateful that they were able to do it in one day. Hey, this is 1 day turnaround, guys. Look real good with the black Brembo on there. So once again, I want to thank these guys at Bel-red Auto Rebuild. I recommend them to anybody looking for this type of work, and I appreciate everything. Say that again? Oh yeah, I saw them. I was up here earlier. I got the calipers done on this. Yeah, so I recommend these guys to anybody. If you need that work, I'm going to put the description down below where they're located, the phone number, everything. So until the next one, remember, hit that like, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all the new content. Peace.